this is me. I am going to be doing a late night clean with me. Right here, I'm just about to get ready to clean off this table and these chairs because these kids have made a mess on this table. They just had ate dinner. I don't know about y'all, but I love doing me like a late night clean because I find it easier because during the daytime, it's kind of more harder for me to get my cleaning tasks done with like the little ones running around. Most times they don't be taking their naps on time during the day. So I just been finding night cleaning lately has been really helping me out. And I just love waking up to a clean home. Now I need to vacuum this rug, y'all, because when the kids be eating, it be stuff getting all over this rug, y'all, and I just be hate feeling it up under my feet when I walk on it. So I'm just gonna vacuum it. Next, guys, I'm going to be wiping down these chairs. They get a lot of splatters, food splatters in them. So just trying to keep these clean because as you can see, they are white chairs and a white table. I also just want to mention that I was so nervous about buying this table because of the color of it. They did have it in black and I was so tempted to get the black, but I'm glad I went with the white, y'all, because this table is like the best material. Like, I don't know what it's made out of, but it's so easy to just wipe any spills, splatters, stains, or anything out of it. So I absolutely love it. Absolutely recommend it. Yeah, I need to find me a better centerpiece, but this works for now. The boys be crushing the fruit in this thing, okay? Moving along, I need to wipe down these countertops, get any food residue, crumbs off of them because they were a little messy, as y'all can see right there. So yeah, let's get these countertops knocked out of the way. Right here, I'm just showing you guys what I'm using. I'm using the Clorox disinfectant with bleach in it. I love this stuff, so that's just what I'm using. Next up is this stovetop. I hate having a glass stovetop, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Ew. But no, I don't really like having this type of stovetop because it's so hard to keep it clean. Like, once it gets stains on it, you literally have to like scrape them off. I would rather have like a gas stovetop, but hey, it is what it is. We make do. So yeah, it's okay, y'all. So guys, don't pay any mind to the time that's on the microwave. That time is completely wrong. I have to change that time on the microwave. Spring is coming and time has sprung forward, so that's definitely wrong. That's like behind a couple hours. So yeah, don't pay that any mind, y'all. I believe at this point it was like 10 p.m. So that's way off. Just wanted to show you guys what I used to mop the floor tonight. This is the Shark Steam Mop. I absolutely love this thing. I love it. Definitely would recommend. It's a 10 out of 10, okay? This thing literally steams the floors, guys. I just can't stop talking about how much I love it. But no, you guys, it's like amazing. And then the mop head, you can change it out and wash it, which I love that. Moving right along, we are about to tackle these dishes because one thing I hate is a sink full of dishes. So I normally try to just keep my sink clear from dishes. But yeah, this was in the night, so just getting that out of the way so I won't have to worry about that in the morning. I needed to take this little drink break, okay? Next up is this fridge. Child, this fridge was a hot mess. My husband did take out all of the leftover food that we had in there, so shout out to him. He made my job a little bit more easier. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys. Look at right there. Oh my gosh, child. Look at that food crud. Oh my gosh, ew. But yeah, y'all, I just need to tackle this fridge. I normally try to clean my fridge out at least once a week, but when it's really messy, I clean it out twice a week. So yeah, look at this fridge. OMG. Clean this fridge out. It's definitely gonna be time for a fridge restock because we looking a little bare. But nah, y'all, I'm literally about to go grocery shopping like the next morning. So yeah, because it's definitely time. Guys, so it is the next morning. I was like, I need to finish this up in the morning because I got so tired last night, y'all. It was a long day. I'm just showing you guys these containers that I got from Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on them, okay? But I'm gonna be using these for the fridge. Okay guys, this is the finished result of the fridge. Let me know what you guys think. I haven't done a restock yet, but once I do that, I'll be making a video for that. But I just labeled everything with these labels that I got from the dollar store. So yes, y'all, let me know, how did I do? I think this fridge looks 10 times better, y'all. I really do. I love the labels in the fridge. I think everything looks so neat and organized, and I really love that. But yep, I just put my condiments on the side, labeled those. And then I did my waters down the bottom, my veggies, fruits, cheese, and sandwich meat, soda, and my egg. Alright, you guys, so that's going to be it for the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, because you're not subscribed. And like always, y'all, I'll be back with more. Bye!